And welcome everybody on business talk on 26th November. So let's see what happened in this next part is. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's go for this stock. So according to what we want, this is going to be very important and very serious about what we would think. So this is going to be here and here, and the price that would increase like this will be movement, good movement. So the price that starts to here that increases in momentum. So I think it's going to be such another thing that would be a, such very important for one day update on business stock on 26th November. So I think this a small increase was great result that happened because that business stock was here on the lowest value that it has reached, or the minimum value that it has reached, or the limit of 0.1 Fibonacci level. Okay, this is 0 Fibonacci level, and this is going to be 1 Fibonacci level, so that the value of the business stock increased and the wave rised up and took off. Hope you benefit from what happened on the business stock in this video.